So, why do I like Allie so much? I love working with Allie because she hits the mark every single time. And I'll give you a case in point. I recently asked her to get 300 people registered for an event that I did, and she nailed the mark. Matter of fact, she nailed it right on the button and got all 300 people registered for it. So when you ask her to do something, she ends up getting it done, and she ends up working with you to make sure that everything works out for you. She's very conscientious in regards to it. The second reason why I like Allie is she's just phenomenal in understanding the different modes of advertising and then making it understandable to you as the business owner. The next reason why I like Allie so much is she has a phenomenal understanding of Go High Level, which is, a matter of fact, I think she's won several awards in it as well. And it's a software package that allows you to do several things within one software package as far as managing all of the people that have signed up. And you have an email package, you have a web page. There's all kinds of functionality that Go High Level has. I can't get into all of it, but she really understands it, and she makes a lot of suggestions to me. I work within her group as a private client. I meet with her once every Friday for about an hour, and we tackle all kinds of different things that we want to strategize for my business, and she does an absolute wonderful job.